Today, I'm going to teach you how to invite an accountant to your Xero account. This is essential when you need professional support, managing your business finances, and giving your accountant direct access ensures they can help you efficiently without constant back and forth. First, open your web browser and navigate to Xero.com. This brings you to the Xero homepage where you'll access your account. Once the page loads, look for the Sign In button and click it. You'll be prompted to enter your Xero credentials, so type in your username and password to log into your account. Make sure you're using the correct login details associated with your business. After signing in, you'll land on your Xero dashboard. Now direct your attention to the top left corner of your screen where you'll see your business name displayed. Click on it to ensure you're working within the correct organization. This step is particularly important if you manage multiple businesses through Xero, as it confirms you're inviting the accountant to the right account. Next, locate the Settings option in the left-hand navigation panel. Click on Settings to open up your account configuration options. This is where you'll manage all administrative features, including user access and permissions. Within the Settings menu, you'll see several options listed. Find and click on Users. This section controls who has access to your Xero account and what level of permissions they have. On the Users page, look towards the right side of your screen where you'll find a button labeled Invite a User. Click this button to begin the process of adding your accountant to your account. A form will appear where you'll enter the necessary details. Start by typing your accountant's first and last name in the field labeled Personal Details. This ensures the invitation is properly addressed and your accountant can identify it as legitimate. Now move to the field labeled Email and type in your accountant's email address. Double-check this for accuracy, as the invitation will be sent to this address. An incorrect email means your accountant won't receive the invitation. Next comes an important decision about access permissions. Under the Access Permissions section, select the appropriate role for your accountant. Typically, you'll choose from options like Projects, Payroll Admin, or Business and Accounting. The Business and Accounting role is most common as it gives comprehensive access to financial data your accountant needs. If you'd like to add a personal touch to the invitation, look for an optional checkbox labeled Add a Message. Checking this box allows you to include a customized note explaining why you're sending the invite or any specific instructions for your accountant. This step is optional but can be helpful for context. Finally, locate and click the button labeled Send Invite. This action sends an email invitation directly to your accountant's inbox. They'll receive instructions on how to accept the invitation and access your Xero account with the permissions you've assigned. And that's it. Your accountant will now receive the invitation and can start assisting you with your business finances once they accept. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.